Introducing the Neoti UHD Pro70 Series, a revolutionary direct-view LED display designed for mission-critical environments. Engineered as a direct replacement for legacy 70-inch rear projection cubes, the UHD Pro70 integrates seamlessly, offering industry-leading 0.8mm pixel pitch and Full HD resolution. With advanced energy efficiency and reduced eye fatigue, it's built for 24/7 reliability. The UHD Pro70 delivers vibrant visuals at 700 nits brightness, with proprietary low-light gamma correction and a wide RGB color gamut, critical for applications like intelligence, surveillance, and emergency response. Neoti's self-healing auto-calibration technology ensures consistent color and brightness without manual adjustments. Plus, with an average power consumption of just 22 watts per module, it's a sustainable solution for modern control rooms. Built for control rooms, command centers, and industrial environments, the UHD Pro70 meets the rigorous demands of government and defense sectors. Its modular design allows for flexible setups and future-proof scalability. Explore how the Neoti UHD Pro70 can transform your control room operations. Designed in USA, engineered in Germany, with industry-leading service and support. Discover the future of LED display technology today.